In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people in Metabase 2026, step by step. Let's get started by opening your Metabase workspace in a web browser and signing in. You'll need an account with permission to manage users, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, check that you have admin access. It's best to do this from a desktop browser so you can easily see the full navigation. Once you're in, look for the settings icon, typically a small gear, in the top right corner of the Metabase interface. This is where all configuration lives. Click that gear to open the main settings menu. If you're on a smaller screen, the gear might be tucked into a collapsed menu, but it's the same place you manage system configuration. From that menu, choose Admin Settings. This takes you into the administrative area for your workspace. Here, you can manage data sources, email settings, and most importantly for today, your users. If you don't see admin settings, it usually means your account isn't an admin, so you'll need someone with the right permissions to continue. Inside admin settings, find and click people. This section is your user directory, showing everyone who currently has access to your Metabase. You can quickly scan the list to confirm who's already in, and this is also where you'll handle invitations. To add a new person, click Invite Someone. Metabase will open a simple invite form. This is where you add the new teammates' details. Use their work email to keep your workspace secure and streamlined, and double check for typos so the invite lands correctly. Depending on your setup, you may also see options that influence what they can do once they join. Choose conservatively if you're unsure, since you can always expand access later. When you've filled in the details, click Create to send the invitation. Metabase will email the person with a secure link to join your workspace and set their password. After you send it, keep an eye on the people page. You'll see their status listed as pending until they accept. If they don't receive the invite within a few minutes, have them check spam or junk folders. From the same people page, you can resend the invitation if needed. That's it. You open Metabase, went into admin settings, navigated to people, selected invite someone, and clicked create to send the invite. Follow these steps whenever you need to bring a new teammate into your analytics workspace.